and making sure that I am in the best of health, fit for that matter. So sa tanan mga participants, especially to those who are outside of the city coming in, and to our participants who came all the way from the other cities, places in Mindanao, and even in the Visayas, and probably outside of the country. Really, it is something that we can always be proud of. The number of participants may have exceeded the numbers that we really would want to have, but definitely, as I've said, this is a start of a beginning of Surigao being known not only of being the city of island adventures, but known later and more importantly known for paving the way for everyone to become a part of the marathon. This is also in celebration, part of the celebration of the 123rd Adlaw ng Surigao, which will happen on May 15. Surigao del Norte is already 123 years old. Our city is just about 54. Nevertheless, being a capital city, we are really looking forward, as always, that any activity of the province, Surigao City is always a part of. So sa tanan na mga participante, to the winners, I would say congratulations. To those who did not make it, continue to strive hard because probably today may not be your time, but there will always be a time for this way that you can participate, as always, in other sports activities that this present government is always upholding. Up to the end of the year, as I've seen the budget for 2024, daghan pa, ubay-ubay pa nga mga sports programs and activities, considering that our mayor is still very young. At the age of 43 years old, he has all the vision of making the Surigao City a hub of sports activities, not only in Caraga region, but in the entire country, the Philippines. Salamat. God bless to each and everyone. Thank you very much to all the participants, and to God always be the glory.